Boom! Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing 3 different types of tests to see how well I know my car brands. Let's get to it. Pew! So the tests go from easy, medium and hard. So the first test, I have 25 different car brand logos in here and I just need to pick them all out and see if I can answer them all. Let's do it. Now, I can't pronounce all of them, so if I say something weird, just ignore it. We're going again. This is the third and final round to get a high score to name 25 car brands. Are we ready? Let's go. Here they are. Like cars. 3, 2, 1. Citroen, Hyundai, Volkswagen, BMW, Subaru, Infiniti, Mitsubishi, Renault, Nissan, Honda, Toyota, Volvo, Mazda, Lexus, Holden, Chevrolet, Alfa Romeo, Audi, Porsche, Mercedes, Bentley, Jaguar, Suzuki and Ferrari. Oh my god, 7 seconds faster. Okay. Round 1 complete. Let's move on to round 2, which is the medium round. Let's go. This is round 2 out of 3 rounds. Now I found this random quiz online that has 35 questions of naming 35 different car brands. Now I have not completed this quiz before, so I only get one go at completing this. So let's start and see how I go out of the medium round. Now, so it's just answering 35 different car brands. Yeah. Okay. Volkswagen. Chevrolet. Oh no, that one's Ram. I learned that. I learned that one in school actually. Beamer. Oh. Oh my god, I have not seen that. No, it's not Fiat. Fiat. Oh no. This is just a complete guess. Okay. Okay, I got that right. Pontiac. I did it because it looked like a point, and Pontiac sounded like point. Subaru. Oh wait, oh no, I always get this one mixed up. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, this one is a guess because I always get it mixed up among 3. So I'm gonna guess Aston Martin. I don't know. Oh, yes! Okay. I'm pretty sure this one's Bentley. Oh no. Did Bentley or the Chrysler? I'm just gonna do Bentley. No! It was the Chrysler! No! My first one wrong. This one's the Bentley. I knew that. I knew which one was Bentley. I got 1 wrong out of 35. Let's view my results. I passed. I got an A. 34 out of 35. Damn it. Okay. Well, I did guess some of them, so. Well, anyway, that is round 2 completed. We are moving on to the 3rd and final round, which is the hardest round to do. Okay, now for round 3, I wanted to try and identify cars from just looking at the side of the car and then like being able to see the brand. And like when I'm in cars like driving around town, I've been able to do this to some brands, you know, but you know, I'm obviously not outside at the moment, so I don't know how I'm going to do that. So I'm just thinking at the moment. So yeah, anyway, I could go outside and just try and find random cars to guess what they are, I guess. I could do that actually. Let's go do it. Okay, so for round 3, I'm just going to go down. I was just talking to myself and about to walk down my driveway, and then there was a person just standing there and he just kept staring at me. It was very awkward. Anyway, we'll have to think of something else. Oh no. Okay, this is the 3rd round of guessing the car brands from looking at the side of the car without seeing the logos. And I'll cover the side of my face so I can't see the logos. Okay, let's do it. Okay, it's a Mazda and a Holden. Yeah, first 2 right. Okay, so apparently, according to my dad, this is the busiest section in our town, so there's no cars at the moment though. Toyota, little doggy in the back. Oh, that's a Nissan, fast Nissan. Okay, a Ford, Nissan, Isuzu truck. Toyota, oh, zippy little Toyota. Okay, Tamworth truck with some weird looking things. Oh, Mazda, Toyota, Nissan, Mitsubishi. Oh, was a police car as well, yeah. That's Ford, and another Subaru, and a Toyota. Okay, this is part 3A, the extreme level, guessing cars from over at the traffic light to see how far away I can guess it. Okay, let's go. Okay, the one coming is a Toyota. The white one's a Jeep. And then behind it is a Holden. And the other one's a man. And the grey one's a Suzuki. Behind it's a Subaru. And the other one's a Ford. And the other one's a Subaru again. The blue one's a Toyota. The white one's a Holden. And the other one is a Kia. Yeah. Okay, the white one coming's a Holden. And the other one's a Jaguar. Yeah, very old Jaguar. Cool. So this one here is a Mercedes. And over here, this looks like a Tesla. It looks like my dad's Tesla. Well, let's hop into the car, I think. Ooh. Oh, let's just sit in here. Boom, boom, boom. Thank you for watching another video, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay positive and peace out.